Scene script. Have you ever wondered how the moon, our Earth's loyal companion, came into existence? Our celestial neighbor's origin story is a tale of cosmic proportions, one that begins around 4.5 billion years ago, in the early, chaotic days of our solar system. Picture this. A young Earth still forming and taking shape is caught in a dance with another Mars-sized body, aptly named Theia. In the vast emptiness of space, their paths cross in a dramatic ballet. Theia, with a seemingly insatiable desire to get closer, collides with Earth. This isn't a gentle nudge, oh no, it's a cataclysmic event, a cosmic clash of unimaginable scale. The impact of this collision is so great it sends a shower of debris into space. Large chunks of Earth and remnants of Theia are now adrift in the void, a cloud of rubble encircling our planet. Over time, this debris, drawn together by the relentless tug of gravity, starts to coalesce. Slowly but surely, piece by piece, a new body begins to take shape. This process isn't swift. It takes tens of millions of years for the dust to settle, both literally and metaphorically. But when it does, there it is, a new natural satellite born from the remnants of a celestial collision, now orbiting its parent planet. This, my friends, is the birth of our moon. This event did more than just give Earth a moon. It tilted our planet's axis, giving us seasons, and it stabilized our wobble, giving us a more consistent climate. It also gave Earth a shield, with the moon taking many asteroid impacts on our behalf. And thus, from a cataclysmic event, the moon was born, forever to become Earth's celestial dance partner. A silent witness to our planet's history, the moon continues to illuminate our nights, govern our tides, and inspire our dreams. But that's a tale for another scene. Stay tuned. But why does the moon matter so much to us? You may have found yourself asking this question on a clear night as you gaze up at that glowing orb in the sky. Well, the moon's influence on Earth is more profound than you might initially think. Firstly, let's discuss the moon's gravitational pull. This celestial body, although around 239,000 miles away, has a significant impact on Earth's oceans. The moon's gravity pulls on the Earth, causing the water in the oceans to bulge out in the direction of the moon. This bulge is what we know as high tide. On the opposite side of Earth, another high tide occurs due to the inertia of water moving away from the moon. This constant push and pull dance between the Earth and moon gives us 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day. Next, let's talk about eclipses. These astonishing events occur due to the moon's position in relation to Earth and the sun. During a solar eclipse, the moon aligns between Earth and the sun, temporarily obscuring the sun's light. In contrast, during a lunar eclipse, Earth aligns between the moon and the sun, casting a shadow on the moon. The moon is also a celestial gatekeeper, stabilizing Earth's wobble on its axis. Without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth would wobble much more than its current 23.5 degrees. This could lead to dramatic shifts in our climate, making life as we know it challenging if not impossible. Moreover, the moon's consistent presence and predictable phases have helped humans keep time throughout history. From ancient calendars to modern navigation, the moon has been an essential reference point in our journey through time. So, the next time you find yourself staring at the moon, remember, it's not just a pretty face in the night sky. The moon, despite its silent presence in the night sky, plays a crucial role in our everyday life. And that's why the moon matters. The moon has always held a special place in human history and culture. It's been a muse for poets, a beacon for navigators, and a calendar for farmers. Its phases have been woven into the fabric of our myths and folklore, becoming a symbol of time, change, and the cyclical nature of life. The moon has been personified as a deity in many cultures, embodying a range of characteristics from the feminine divine to a harbinger of change. In the realm of art, the moon has been a constant source of inspiration. From Van Gogh's Starry Night to Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, the moon's ethereal beauty has found expression in countless masterpieces. But mankind's fascination with the moon isn't limited to folklore and art. It extends to the realm of science and exploration. The moon has been the subject of scientific study for centuries, its mysteries fueling our curiosity. This fascination reached its zenith during the space race of the mid-20th century, culminating in the historic Apollo moon landing. The image of an astronaut setting foot on the lunar surface for the first time is etched into our collective memory, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless quest for knowledge. Whether it's in our stories or our scientific endeavors, the moon continues to captivate us. Its allure remains undiminished, a constant companion in our journey through time and space. But what does the future hold for our relationship with the moon? The future of moon exploration is brimming with endless possibilities. As we gaze upon the moon's cratered surface, we can't help but ponder the potential it holds. The Artemis program, led by NASA, aims to return humans to the lunar surface by 2024. This time, we're not just planting a flag and leaving footprints, we're planning to stay. Moon bases are on our agenda, with designs for lunar habitats being refined and tested as we speak. These bases will serve as launch pads for further space exploration, reducing the resources needed to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. This makes the moon a critical stepping stone for future interplanetary travel. In addition, the moon is a treasure trove of resources. Beneath its surface lies a wealth of valuable elements, including helium-3, a potential fuel for nuclear fusion. Mining these resources could revolutionize our energy industry and pave the way for a sustainable future. Beyond the scientific and practical benefits, the moon continues to inspire us. It's a symbol of human ambition, a testament to our ability to reach beyond our earthly confines. It reminds us of our place in the cosmos, and the vastness of the universe yet to be explored. As we stand on the brink of a new era of lunar exploration, the moon remains a beacon of curiosity and dreams.